Hello everyone, welcome to Vocalino. I am Jijo, and in this playlist we are starting a complete English grammar course from basics to advanced. This course is specially designed for all the students, but anyone who wants to improve their English grammar can follow this. In this grammar series, we will learn parts of speech, tenses, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, figure of speech, subject verb agreement, and many more topics. Every topic will be explained in a very simple and clear way with examples and practice questions. At the end of the playlist, you will have full confidence in English grammar, both for exams and for speaking. So make sure you watch every video in order and don't forget to subscribe to Vocalino for more lessons. Let us begin our grammar course.